Hello everyone, have you ever thought of growing out your beard, but every time that you do, it just doesn't feel right. It feels scratchy and feels wiry and rough, and it's just an unpleasant sensation, not just for you, but for your partner as well. And at the end of the day, it affects your confidence. Believe me, I've been there. It used to happen to me, especially when I started growing facial hair, and I had no idea what to do with it. And I always wanted to have a beard, but I really didn't know how to take care of it and how to avoid the itchiness and all that. This is why I decided to make this video to help you. Just have been helping my clients for years to have a healthier beard and just a healthier experience with your facial hair. You guys don't know, but 60% of men in the US have a beard, but only 1 out of 5 know exactly what to do with it and how to take care of it. If as barbers, we are not sharing that information with the clients, we're actually doing a disservice to them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I do, what I recommend, and how to take care of your beard to avoid having that wiry, very scratchy and rough beard that nobody likes. So the first thing we are going to talk about is knowing where you're going so you know how to get having a destination. And what I mean by that is knowing what beard style, what hairstyle you're looking for, right? If you don't know what looks best on you, then I'll recommend you to talk to your barber. Your barber should be able to give you guides on exactly what looks best for you based on your face shape and your head shape and the type of beard that you have. But if your barber hairstylist cannot help you with this, then you can go on social media or you can use a search engine and try to find pictures of models or other people that you see there that have kind of similar facial hair that you have, kind of similar face shape, and see what they're doing with their face shape and kind of get an idea and see what matches your lifestyle, what you're going for, what you like, what's going to bring you that confidence. So that is step number 1. And for this, sometimes you want to have a shorter beard, sometimes you want to have longer beard. You need a good tool to be able to achieve this, right? It's not just using a razor to shave the neck and the top knot. You also need a tool to maintain that beard. First thing is to make sure you get a high quality trimmer or tool that was designed exactly for what you're looking for. Things that I look for are, for example, if it's cordless, for me, the freedom of being able to be in the bathroom and go into the shower to continue grooming my beard is extremely important. I want that freedom. I don't want to be attached to a cable. 2, I'm looking for something that is adjustable, something that's going to allow me to have my beard longer or have my beard shorter, be able to remove all the hair from the neck, as well as being able to fade some of the sides into my sideburns. This is really important for me, something I always recommend you look for it as well. You also want a high quality tool that has metal blades, and this is important because the metal blades are going to allow the blade to cut the hair evenly, making it a lot faster, a lot better, and just overall better for your hair. So this is also something I look for. What I recommend, what I use myself, recommend my clients, is the Beard Trimmer Pro by King C. Gillette. This is an awesome trimmer. This is what I personally use for myself, for my personal grooming. And when clients ask me about it, this is what I recommend, just because it checks all the boxes of the things that I mentioned before. This trimmer has a metal head, and it also comes with adjustment combs with 40 different length settings. This trimmer has versatility and precision, allowing you to craft the desired beard style effortlessly. One of the things I love about King C. Gillette is how sophisticated and timeless all the products look. This just reflects on the brand values and the high quality nature of its products. The second step when it comes to caring for your facial hair is to make sure you wash your beard and face with a product that is specially designed for this. It's really important. You'll be surprised how many men don't know what products to put on their beard, not achieving the results that they are looking for. This is why it's very important that you choose the right product. In my case, what I use in the shower is the King C. Gillette 3-in-1 Beard, Face, and Hair Wash. This beard wash has key ingredients like coconut water, argan oil, and avocado oil, as well as a refreshing menthol cooling sensation. And this is important because the beard wash is going to gently cleanse your skin and hair, removing dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. And this is important because clean hair reduces the itchiness sensation that you get when you are growing out your beard. And for the final step, I always recommend to use a beard softener. The one that I recommend is the Beard Softener by King C Gillette. This product has plant-based ingredients like coconut butter, argan oil, and shea butter for deep conditioning. These ingredients make this product creamy and lightweight in texture, making it easier to apply. And it also gives you flexibility because you can also use it as a leave-on treatment or a wash-off mask. And before I forget, because I know many people are going to ask, I get this question asked all the time, is where can I find these products that you recommend? The ones I recommend, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. And one of the reasons why I love King C Gillette is because they actually specialize in creating solutions for beard care. So for me, these products have worked great. They have worked great for my clients. And this is why I can make a video and recommend them to you for your grooming needs. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you enjoyed the video and it was helpful to you. Also, any questions that you guys have when it comes to beard care, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.